7. Windows accessories. In this chapter, you will learn about some of the Windows accessories such as calculator, media player, and games. Using calculator. Calculator is a tool used to do arithmetic calculations. Windows provides us a calculator program with a lot of features in 4 different modes. 1. Standard mode. 2. Scientific mode. 3. Programmer mode. 4. Statistical mode. To start the calculator program, click Start Globe or button, All Programs, Accessories, Calculator. Standard calculator. To view the other modes of calculator, click the View button on the calculator. The table below lists some of the important buttons on the standard calculator program. Button. Description. Deletes the last digit of the number displayed. Clears the number displayed. Clears an entire calculation. Clears any number stored in the calculator's memory. Recalls and displays the number stored in the calculator's memory. Stores the number displayed in the calculator's memory. If a number exists in its memory, it will be replaced. Adds the displayed number to the one that exists in the calculator's memory. Subtracts the displayed number to the one that exists in the calculator's memory. Performs division. Performs multiplication. Performs subtraction. Performs addition. Displays the result of the calculation. Adds a decimal point. Displays the square root of the given number. Gives the result in percentages. Hint: to clear an entire calculation, use the escape key, and to clear the number displayed, use the delete key on the keyboard. Let's learn to use the standard calculator program. It is used in the same way as we use a calculator. Here, keyboard and mouse are used to operate the calculator. To add 8 and 9, 1. Click on the button 8 or press the number key 8 on the keyboard. Number 8 will appear on the display screen as shown adjacent. 2. Click on the Add button or press the plus key on the keyboard. Now 8 plus will be displayed over the 8 digit as shown in the figure. 3. Click on the 9 number button. The display will show 9. 4. Click the equal to sign button or press the enter key on the keyboard. You can see the result as 17 on the calculator display as shown adjacent. In the same way, other calculations like subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, etc. are done by using the standard calculator. If you want to see what has been done before and check if the operations are correct, press Ctrl plus H to view the history. Using Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player provides an easy interface to play digital media files, organize digital media collections, etc. Windows Media Player allows you to toggle between two modes. 1. Player library. 2. Now playing mode. To start Windows Media Player, click on the Start button. Click All Programs, and select Windows Media Player from the list. The Windows Media Player appears as shown below in Player Library mode. It consists of 1. Address bar, 2. Navigation pane, 3. Details pane, 4. List pane, 5. Playback controls area. 1. Address bar displays the address of the current file. 2. Navigation pane contains libraries of music, pictures, videos, and media guide. You can access any of these categories. 3. Details pane gives the information about the programs that are selected in the navigation pane. 4. List pane used to create a playlist of the items from the details pane. 5. Playback controls area provides controls to play, stop, pause, rewind, fast forward the music or video clip. It also contains the volume control. See the figure below. Playback controls area. The back and forward buttons in the upper left corner of the window are used to move between the various views in the player library. The player library is used to play an audio or video file, to find, add, and remove items from the Windows Media Player library, create or change an auto playlist, and add or edit media information in Windows Media Player. From the player library, you can go to Now Playing mode by clicking the switch to Now Playing button in the lower right corner of the player. Now Playing mode. 1. Media information. 2. Playback controls area. 3. Switch to library button. In Now Playing mode, you can view DVDs and videos or see what music is currently playing. You can decide to view only the currently playing item, or you can right-click the player and then click Show List to view a selection of available items. To return to the player library, click the Switch to Library button in the upper right corner of the player. Playing games. With the advancement in computers, we can now play games on a computer. There are some built-in games that form a part of Windows accessories. We can also install games from the CDs available in the market. To play the games installed in Windows, click on Start button. All programs, games. Click on the game that you want to play from the cascading menu that appears. Let's learn to play a game. Minesweeper. Before playing any game, we first need to understand the aim and rules of playing it. Therefore, let us find out about Minesweeper. It contains a grid in which some squares have mines and others have numbers. The number in a square indicates the number of mines surrounding it. The aim is to find all the mines as quickly as possible, but without revealing them. If we open a square having a mine, we lose the game. Minesweeper has 3 standard boards to choose from. Beginner, 81 tiles, 10 mines. Intermediate, 256 tiles, 40 mines. Expert, 480 tiles, 99 mines. You can also create a custom board by clicking the Game menu and then clicking Options. Minesweeper supports boards of up to 720 squares and 668 mines. Let's start the game. 1. Click to open games. Click on Minesweeper. The game window appears. Click the game menu and then click on Option. Make your choice and then click OK. Notice that all the squares are covered. To uncover a square, click on a square, that is, click a tile to start the game. 2. Notice that the moment you click on a square, the timer starts. In the adjacent figure, the timer has reached 5 seconds. 3. Also, you will see that some numbers appear. These numbers indicate how many mines are placed around that square. For example, number 2 in a square indicates that there are 2 mines in the 8 squares around it. 4. If you suspect that one of the squares is a mine, right-click on it. Notice that a flag appears. It means that you have marked this as a suspect. 5. If you click on a mine, you will lose the game. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. 2. Tick if true or cross if false in the brackets. 3. Match the following. 4. Answer the following questions. 1. Name the different modes of calculator program. How do you open the calculator program? Answer. Windows provides us a calculator program with a lot of features in 4 different modes. 1. Standard mode. 2. Scientific mode. 3. Programmer mode. 4. Statistical mode. To start the calculator program, click Start Globe or button. All programs, accessories, calculator. 2. What does the Windows Media Player window contain? Explain. Answer. Windows Media Player window contains the following. A. Address bar. Displays the address of the current file. B. Navigation pane. Contains libraries of music, pictures, videos, and media guide. We can access any of these categories. C. Details pane. Gives the information about the programs that are selected in the navigation pane. D. List pane. Used to create a playlist of the items from the details pane. E. Playback controls area. Provides controls to play, stop, pause, rewind, fast forward the music or video clip. It also contains the volume control. Activities. Note, do on a computer. Open the standard calculator program and perform the following calculation. 1. 16 plus 22 minus 8. 2. 40 divided by 8 into 4. 3. Square root of 81. Open the Windows Media Player and open an audio file to enjoy music. Play the Minesweeper game.